Hey everyone, I want to thank you for watching. Today we're going to take a look at the Cisco Webex board and the sticky note feature. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Otherwise, let's dive in and check it out firsthand. First of all, I have a Webex board opened up. I'm connected to a Teams space, so this board will be shared with the other users that are part of the space. You see the standard functionality here. Something that's pretty common in physical, analog whiteboard use cases, however, is the ability to put sticky notes, have the ability to move them around, to shift ideas without having to erase and start over. So what Cisco's done is add the sticky note feature to the board, right? So your typical functionality, to the right hand side here, there's a little sticky note. You can go ahead and tap on that, and a sticky note of sorts is added to the board. You can choose your color, right? What color note do you want? Not unlike the pad of sticky notes that you may have on your desk. So go ahead and choose your color. The on-screen keyboard comes up as well. Go ahead and type whatever it is that you may need to type on there. I'll just put some notes on here. Notes, and hit the checkbox to save it. Hit the X if you want to delete it altogether. And now we have a sticky note on the screen. You can see that I can move this around. Maybe I want to group it with the number 1. Maybe I want to add another one and group it differently. Right? We can do alphanumeric, punctuation, whatever. And we can now move these around this screen accordingly. However it is that you may do your drafting or your brainstorming as a team, you have that ability with the sticky notes on the Webex board now as well. Let's jump over to my PC and we'll actually check it out in Teams as we're actively working at the board. So as you can see, I have the whiteboard opened up in Webex Teams. I can actually go ahead and create a sticky note here as well. The nice thing is I can use my keyboard, so that makes it easier. Just make this a Tech Catalyst sticky note, and we will save it. As you'll notice, that note is now on the Webex board. If we go back and watch the screen of the PC, as we continue to edit, if we move these notes around, in real time, these changes appear on the laptop, on a remote Webex board, you name it. This functionality is real time, takes that analog whiteboarding experience with sticky notes, digitizes it, and makes it available to your team anywhere in the world. If you have questions or comments on how you might use this functionality, go ahead and leave something in the comment section below. If you have other ideas, tips, or tricks, leave those as well. If you've not already done so, hit subscribe, and I want to thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon.